Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, a working email or phone and a strong password. Open the Microsoft account creation page and enter your contact. This creates the backbone for OneDrive. Once done, choose personal versus business so settings match your needs. Make sure to use a recovery email or phone to reduce lockout risk. You're now past the setup gate. Proceed to provide name, region, and birth date, and then complete the CAPTCHA challenge to prove you're human. Next, you'll enter account details and verify your identity. Type your full name and correct region. This affects language and data residency. When prompted, request a verification code to your email or phone and enter it promptly. If a code doesn't arrive, retry or choose voice verification. Check spam folders. Once verified, enable multi-factor authentication to protect files. Use an authenticator app or phone number. These steps lock down the account, so your OneDrive storage is secure and recoverable. To finish, sign into OneDrive via browser or install the OneDrive app on your device and sign in with the new Microsoft account. Configure sync, choose folders, set bandwidth limits, and decide automatic camera upload. Once syncing begins, check the OneDrive icon for status and confirm files appear online. If anything goes wrong during sign-up or sync, first clear browser cache or use an incognito window, then retry. If still blocked, try a different device or temporarily disable VPN and repeat verification.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.